guys, welcome back to my channel.
Spring, like everything is new. The sun, the flowers, calling on warm days overdue. But I like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I'm Apratima Pradinti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button all. And I'm so sorry you're gonna see me in this greasy face look because I've just got done with my morning workout. And okay, so today's challenge, oh my god, it's so exciting and you have all asked me a lot. It's the 24 hours Maggi challenge. Like for a day I'll be eating only Maggi and uske alawa I can have chai, doodh, water and stuff. So it's like that. And the time right now is I don't know if you can see, 10:32. And so this time is time for my breakfast, and let's see what we're gonna make for breakfast. Maggi breakfast, yeah. And I have some couple of interesting recipes for the whole day, so let's just get started with the video. So the morning breakfast ke liye breakfast ki we'll do the classic Maggi, like nothing else add on, but I will add garlic, ginger garlic paste and red chilies, big 2 red chilies, because I love spicy food, I love chilies and stuff. So like that, and you will see the process, you'll get the time lapse. And then only one brick ke tinta, that's the quantity I can eat for once, so one time of meal. So yeah, let's make the classic Maggi for the breakfast. Okay, the Maggi is ready. You can see it here. It's 1 brick Maggi, and I use top ramen. Then Maggi company Maggi Maggi everything, right? Because we don't feel it nice. They eat top ramen. Lunch I'll use yippee because I can try it. So I'll have my Maggi and I'll meet you at lunchtime. Hey guys, I just had my Maggi. I could not eat the complete Maggi, so sharing with brother, sharing is caring. So now the Maggi was very spicy. Okay, I like it that way. And I don't know why every time after I eat Maggi, I want to drink so much water. See, bottle full, I completed half the water. I don't know why I feel that. And
he's spoiling my life.
He spoils every of my video. And then okay. And also yeah, I forgot to tell. Like Maggi, which is around like that soupy gravy Maggi, I don't like. I just hate that kind of Maggi. I want Maggi to be dry and crispy kind. I don't know why. I'm not so into the soupy juicy Maggi. I don't know why. So yeah, that was the after reaction of the Maggi. Now I should go bath and see Vampire Diaries. By the way, I started binge watching it and I've completed 1 season, and from today I have to see the 2nd season. It's so good guys. Like anyways, we'll meet again at the lunchtime, and there's a special recipe of Maggi which we're gonna do and eat. Meet you then. Good afternoon guys. So it's like 1:45 something, chala late happened because నేను supermarket కెళ్ళేసి వచ్చాను to buy some vegetables ఏవో. So late అయిపోయింది, but my mom was so sweet enough to make rotis. Okay, so the dish we are making for lunch is Maggi Frankie. I know, I'm so excited to eat that. నేను నార్మల్గా రోజు లంచ్కి రోటీ or పుల్కా తింటా, so I thought I can include that. So అమ్మ రోటీ చేసింది and onions, cabbage cut chesindi. She was so sweet enough because I was so late. And now you can go through the process of making it. Hi guys, so I just had my, that's my brother, just ignore him. Just now I had my lunch, okay, cool. It was so tasty, so tasty. it is obviously spicy because I eat spicy food, and it's so tasty. Chala nachindi naku. Ippudu manamu if you know, if you're from Vizag, Rishkonda Maggi ani antaru. It tastes the same like that. Oh my god, if you never tried it, do try it out. I just loved it. Also meet dano mayonnaise kuda add cheyochu. You can add it if you like it, but I didn't add it. I don't know why. Okay, I guess the angle of the camera is also weird. Whatever, it's okay. And yeah, it was so tasty. I again drank a lot of water. And yeah, actually madhanam emayindante we went for actually capsicum kondamani ellam, Reliance Fresh, I guess. Then akkada velli we started to buy. We spent 1 hour there and it was so late. It was like 1:30. And then I had to bath. Antlo mummy emo roti chesi and like Frankie ghee and onions and cabbage chopped just better, so I could make it easy. I was so hungry. Even my mom, my brother, my dad, my grandma, everyone tasted and they loved it so much. That's alone. And one more thing guys, I wanted to share this, that you know, when I like, some people ask me, Amu, why don't you get ready and then do the vlogs? It's like, I just want to be the real me, you know. Intlo every, you know, makeup, I won't even put eyeliner, anything at home. I'm just like this. So I thought when you are my kind of fam, you should know what exactly I am. So that is the reason for that. Anyways, the Frankie was too good and I'm so full. I ate 2 Frankies and I ate some curd with that. Okay, I will meet you, I guess, in the snack time. I'm not sure in the snack time, but we'll meet you in the snack time. Hey guys, so it's the time for dinner. It's 9 o'clock right now, and in snack time no aim is because I know that in snack time no normally I just drink chai. That's all. Like a habit ledu unless chala chocolate appade tinta, but 1 Maggi portion was so enough for me for the Frankie thing. So now for dinner, what we are making with Maggi is, it's cheesy cream Maggi. Actually, you know, Chinese spicy Maggi chedamanna, but because I wanted to eat something cheesy, I thought I'll do this Maggi for dinner. I'll take you all along in the recipe, and yeah, I guess we'll meet you at the point of having it. Hey guys, my creamy cheese pasta is ready. I mean, creamy cheese Maggi. Yeah, oh my god. Let me taste it and I'll tell you how it is. So it's basically like mixture of maida, milk, butter and some cheese slices, Maggi masala, that's it. And this is yippee noodles, yeah. Oh my god, it tastes so yum. It's like a mixture of red sauce pasta and white sauce pasta, and it's so good. Let me enjoy it and I'll meet you after eating this. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just had my dinner and came. It's so tasty from the time. But as usual, I don't know why. Just comment down if you relate that you feel you can eat but you always end up leaving things. Then 8 order chesina, oh ninesa anukonda, but the end I will eat ittusa, I leave ittusa. So you know, it's like actually a challenge where I and my brother idru nenu deni vaadu tinnaru, my intlo andu tinnaru, so it's like my family completely doing one for us a Maggi challenge. But one thing is that normally I've seen some people doing the challenge and they feel so exhausted at the end of the day. Ante Maggi tini, I feel maybe they didn't change the variety, that's why. But I did 3 different varieties, right? Morning lo classic Maggi, and for the lunch I did Maggi Frankie, and for dinner I did cheesy cream Maggi. So మూడు చాలా different taste కదా. So that's the reason maybe I'm not feeling Maggi. But guys, a disclaimer that do not do this at your home. I am doing for you all just for entertainment purpose, nothing else. And because I'm doing this challenge, I prepared myself like a lot of detox and stuff. And even from tomorrow I'll be doing some detox for my body, because your body is your asset and you need to take care of it. So that's a disclaimer. And yeah, I guess we have completed the challenge so well, and we did everything. I took 3 meals in the day, and I hope you all liked it. And I am absolutely overwhelmed by the response you gave to the last 2 videos, and thank you so much for that. And I hope we go in the same spree and hit the 250 and then 500 subscribers so soon. And as usual, if you like this video, then do like this video, share with your friends, and tag them to do, but do not do without any adult supervision. And then comment on what you want next and which recipe was your favorite. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. We are very close to 250, and yes, let's meet in the next video. Bye all.